Hello and welcome back to this channel 9 to 5 Data, where we talk about data analytics. In the previous video, we had an introduction to Power BI, and in this video, we'll be talking about what is Microsoft Power BI, its component, and the entire Power Platform family. So by the end of this video, you will know Power BI components, their functions and importance in the Power BI ecosystem. Also, you will know about the Power Platform and how Power BI connects with them. Before we start, don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to the channel. So we get this question, what is Power BI? And whenever Power BI is mentioned, what comes to a lot of people's mind is the desktop application. And when discussing about how stakeholders interact with Power BI, it is done in the context of Power BI service. A SaaS, or what is known as software as a service platform that hosts Power BI datasets and reports. These two are the fundamentals of Power BI components. And we have other components that allow stakeholders to interact with Power BI, which are Power BI Mobile, Power BI Report Builder, Power BI Report Server on premises, and Power BI Embedded. With everything said, you might still be asking, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool for data analysis and visualization. The components are what are combined to produce the analysis and share this visualization periodically through a controlled access. But in this course, our focus will be on Power BI Desktop and the Power BI services, since these two are the most basic and valuable building blocks. So let's have a quick overview of the component. The first component is the Power BI Desktop. So this is a free application installed on your local computer. This tool enables users to connect to, transform, and visualize data. It also serves as the foundational component for all other elements within the Power BI ecosystem. So the second one is the Power BI service. This is an online SaaS solution that allows us to share reports created in Power BI Desktop or Power BI Report Builder with others throughout our organization. So the next one is the Power BI Mobile. So this is an app for Windows, iOS, and Android that lets users view reports on mobile devices without using a web browser. We also have Power BI Report Builder, which is a complementary application installed on a local computer designed for generating pixel-perfect, paginated report consistent with the format of SQL Server reporting services. For example, it can be utilized to automate invoice production or to compile comprehensive list of data for distribution purposes. We also have Power BI Reporting Server on premises. So this is usually used, maybe we have security policies that's preventing us from publishing to Power BI service. Your IT department might install a version of this software on an internal server behind the company's firewall using an on-premises resources rather than us using the cloud solution. So Power BI Report Server does not always have the same features as the Power BI service because it is updated only 3 times a year, in January, May, and September. Additionally, if you plan to deploy reports with Report Server on premises, you need to use a specific version of Power BI Desktop that matches your installed Report Server version. So we also have Power BI Embedded. So this enables us to integrate the Power BI reports and visualization into applications or websites. So this is subjected to a distinct pricing and licensing model. Now, let's talk about the Power family, also known as the Power Platform. So let us consider the broader context by identifying the Power product within the Microsoft family. The Power Platform encompasses a suite of low or no-code solutions designed to work collaboratively with Power BI representing one component of this platform. So you might need additional training on this platform, which are not covered in this course. but it is beneficial to be aware of their existence should you wish to integrate them to your Power BI reports in the future. So the first one we will be talking about is Power Apps, which is a low-code or no-code platform for building custom applications to address business challenges. So we also have Power Pages, which is a low-code platform for building web pages to put out information for customer. There's Power Automate, which is a platform designed to enable end users to develop automated workflows for streamlining organizational processes. We have Power Virtual Agents, which is a no-code platform that enables you to create chatbots for interacting with both customers and employees. So Power BI is at the center of this. It integrates with various components to generate valuable insights that can advance your work. For example, using Power Apps, a site inspector could record notes and upload them to an SQL Server database. Power BI could then connect to this database, retrieve the uploaded data from multiple inspectors, and update reports accordingly. So, say you need to send your boss a static report every day. Instead of manually exporting it from Power BI, drafting an email, and sending it yourself, you can automate this process. By using Power Automate, you can set up a workflow that does that every morning at 8 a.m. Your boss receives a PDF version of the latest report automatically in their inbox, making your job easier and more efficient. So for the virtual agent, this can act as an automated customer service representative, gather significant data during users' interactions. This information is stored and can be analyzed with Power BI, enabling comprehensive reporting. Organizations benefit by gaining clear insights into what customers want, and end users can interact directly with the relevant data. Here is an example of a solution architect for a company. You can see as the data is coming from eBay or Amazon, so there's an ETL process on that saved into a database. Power Apps interact with the database, and data is also fed into the Power Apps, and that can be connected to Power Automate to work on some automated workflows. Same thing with the Power BI, which connects to the database to produce some analysis and visualization, and users can interact with all these using their mobile devices or using their computer. Now that we have introduced the whole family, we will shift focus to the two components pertinent to this course, which is Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. So Power BI Desktop has its own components, and the two most important are the Power BI Canvas and the Power BI Query. As a BI developer, which is business intelligence developer, this is essentially where you will spend most of your time when working in Power BI Desktop. The Canvas is where you build the visualization, and the Power Query is used to import and manipulate data, shaping it to a useful format. For the Power BI service, it is the online SaaS solution where you publish the report produced by the Power BI Desktop. It lets other end users explore your reports. In short, the Power BI service is what makes Power BI different from simply sharing an Excel workbook around the office. It creates a shared space where people can see the same insight securely. We'll dive deeper into all this in our upcoming video. So don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And if there's any question, drop it in the comment section and I will respond as soon as I can. See you in the next video.